Today we are going to discuss about, developing the skill or logic of preparing journal entry using the rules of debit and credit. Okay? Debit and credit rules ഉപയോഗിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് journal entry prepare ചെയ്യാനുള്ള skill development എങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യാം അതിനെപ്പറ്റിയാണ് നമ്മളൊന്ന് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. Okay? അപ്പോൾ അതിനു മുമ്പ് ഞാൻ എന്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകണം? I'm going to show you what is account. I have explained this in my previous class. Okay, I'm writing here account. Okay, what is account? Account is a place where you will place the information of similar type in a business transaction, in a bookkeeping of a business transaction. Okay, this similar type of information will be placed in one place. For example, cash. You write cash here, cash in this account. All cash related item will be accounted or kept in one place. It's called cash account. So now, for example, I just explained you for this example. For you to understand, account is what? A place where you keep information of similar kind of business transaction in one place. Okay, cash account, expense account, asset account, all like that. Now, account is classified into three: personal account, real account, and nominal account. Account is what? Classified into three. 1, 2, 3. What? Personal account, real account, and nominal account. Okay. This is very important for you to understand how it is working and what is the principle under this. For you to understand, to prepare journal entries. So, personal account. Definition is what? Personal account. Debit the receiver and credit the giver. Okay. This is mostly to do with the person. What is a personal account definition? You have their person and debit the receiver, credit the giver. So you can see from this definition itself, somebody is receiving, somebody is giving. So see, there is something to do with the person. Okay. Now come to real account. Real account is what? Under real account mostly it's asset. Okay. How it is? Because something which has the reality means which is something which is having physical entity. For example, furniture, fixed asset in furniture, motor vehicle, equipments, all stuff like that. So this is under real account. What is the rules? What is the definition? What do you do with real account? Debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Okay? Real account what? എന്താ പോകുന്നത്? Debit what comes out. Debit what comes in. എന്താ വരുന്നത് അതിനെ ഡെബിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക, എന്താ പോകുന്നത് അതിനെ ക്രെഡിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. Debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Now you have a nominal account. Nominal account is normally to do with what? To do with expenses of business, losses, then what? Losses, income, revenue, mainly revenue of sales, and gains. Okay. Now what you will see here, what you will say for this? Debit all expenses and losses and credit all incomes and gain. Okay. Now you follow this personal account, real account and nominal account. Personal account, debit to the receiver and credit to the giver. So something to do with the person. Personal account is what? To do with the person who receives and who gives. And real account is what? To do with the asset, mostly to do with the asset. Then what? Debit to what comes in and credit to what goes out. And now nominal account to do with what? Expenses, losses, income and gains. In the other class I have explained you what? These are mainly what? Temporary account. Okay. What is the definition? Debit all expenses and losses. So all the expenses will be debited and credit all incomes and gains. So credit and incomes and gains will be credited. This is the main principles of the account. Okay. Using these principles, how to prepare a journal entry, I will come up with in the next video. Okay. Thank you. Bye.